Court imposing sentence.
Go, Your Honor.
The court will make the following finding concerning the defense motion to bar imposition of sentence on these four distinct counts as violating double jeopardy. Count 4 of the indictment alleging providing false information to a law enforcement officer basically dealt with the following conduct. It is alleged that the defendant was employed at Universal Studios during the year 2008. This information was given pursuant to an investigation for a missing persons report. That information caused law enforcement, in following up on that statement, to go to Universal Studios to expend law enforcement resources to determine that in fact Ms. Anthony did not in fact work at Universal Studios. Count 5, Ms. Anthony informed the authorities that she had left her child, Kelly Marie Anthony, at the Sawgrass Apartments with a babysitter, which caused law enforcement again, as a result of a missing persons report, to develop and follow various leads trying to locate this babysitter, commonly known as Zanny. Count 6 again dealt with the fact that she had informed two, quote, employees of Universal Studios, Jeff Hopkins and Juliette Lewis, of the disappearance of Kelly Marie Anthony. Ms. Anthony in count 7 indicated to law enforcement that she had received a call and spoke to Kelly Marie Anthony on July 15, 2008 at approximately 12 p.m., thus causing law enforcement to devote extensive resources. As a result of those four separate and distinct lies, law enforcement expended a great deal of time, energy, and manpower looking for young Kelly Marie Anthony. This search for her went on from July through December, over several months, trying to find Kelly Marie Anthony. Four distinct, separate lies. Just as the jury spoke loud and clear on counts 1, 2, and 3 by their verdict, they also spoke loud and clear as to the remaining counts 4, 5, 6, and 7. There being no legal cause shown why this court should not impose sentence, and the court having previously adjudged you to be guilty of the crimes contained in counts 4, 5, 6, and 7. I will sentence you to 1 year in Orange County Jail, imposing a $1,000 fine on each count, all 4 counts to run consecutive to each other, giving you credit for the time that you have previously served. Mr. Baez, Mr. Mason, we're going to spend some time this morning figuring out her credit for time served. And it's going to take us probably about an hour to sort it out, because the previous sentences that she has been given. But with the good time and game time, depending on preliminary figures, sometime early August, maybe late July. But I can't say that until after I first determine time served, and then the jail has to apply, according to their figures, their good time and game time that she has gained in this. So if you want to wait around, or we can communicate that with you, and if you have a different figure, then we can get that taken care of. I will reserve jurisdiction for 60 days to determine the cost of prosecution and investigation. Tell me when you'll be ready.
I've been advised a minimum of 30, so any time after that would be acceptable.
Well, Mr. Mason?
I'm going to have some time whenever they get around to providing and gathering up their invoices, so we can check the validity of those and potentially conduct some discovery on it. So at least 30 days, I would assume. It depends on when she gets it to me. If she gets it to me on the 29th day, that's not going to be good.
I believe I would do that to Mr. Mason. They have indicated that they believe they can have all the documentation to me within the time frame that I've suggested, and then that should give Mr. Mason ample time to review the validity of the affidavits of the sheriff's office.
Well,
Anytime I'll ask for it after she gets it to me.
well, I'm trying to give you a date now. The week of August 15th, I will not be around. The week of the 22nd, I'm involved in an evidentiary hearing on a 3851 case that's supposed to last 3 days. I have some time on the 25th and the 26th. Depending on how long you need, I can fit you in on the week of the 29th, but I would have to fit you in because I'm unfortunately going to have to take over Judge Adams' division.